This is our little pineapple project. Got my hands dirty, y'all gotta forgive me. It's our little pineapple here. Say about maybe a month.
Yep.
A little longer.
Yep.
Let the roots come in.
About a month and a half.
About a month and a half, which it's been ready to go. But set this water down right here. Shout out Hands in the Dirt. Shout out Lead Former 73. So we just took off the old ends, and per his directions, when you see you start peeling back these lower leaves right here after you finish your pineapple top, you can see these little bitty roots. You take them, drop them in some water. All of this is new growth. All of these are new tops that's coming up. Nice long roots. So we're gonna take these, and now we're gonna go ahead and get these planted and just keep watching it, have fun with it. And it's a nice and fun little project, plus you get some food out of it, so. Take my hand, get over here on this side, dirt up a little bit. Yeah, you can come get over here and over the top and get, yeah, there you go. Gotta get it nice and deep. Okay. Take these, I don't want the roots to be smashed down too much. Nice and soft. Start filling that back in. Filling that back in. Try to be careful with your roots there. You ain't gotta pack it in too tight. Just bring that dirt. Try to cover your roots up. The stick out of here. And this is a soil and sand mix. The natural environment over here for the pineapple. I got my dirt real loose, my soil real loose. And I'll be honest with you, the whole time we've been over here, I've never seen any store-bought fertilizer. Now, I ain't saying they don't have it. I'm just saying over here, manure. That's it, just straight manure, sand, and soil mix. And that's what we got. There you go. This is our first pineapple. I'm gonna finish it off, like my man said, with the same water we had it in growing. Take that, pour it all around, pour it all around. Get the front side here, the same juice has been sitting in. And there you go. So we'll make another video, let y'all know how it's going. Monitor the progress, and in a couple of months we'll have to have us a pineapple.